Hi, my name is Brandon Barnes, and I'm a digital forensics examiner at Sensei Enterprises. The data on cell phones has become more personalized than ever, with most devices storing information about the places you go, the websites you visit, the apps you use, and of course, the private messages and emails that you send. Similar to how spyware is found on computer systems, it is possible to have it installed on your cell phone without knowledge of it being present. If you believe that there's a possibility that spyware could be on your smartphone, it's important to follow these steps. First, identifying the make and model of the device matters when checking for potential spyware. The most common forms of spyware are found on Android devices, where it can be installed without any indication to the user. In order for spyware to be installed on an Apple iPhone, the device normally needs to be jailbroken. You may want to look for signs that your device has been jailbroken, such as the presence of the Cydia application. If you're worried that your cell phone might be infected with spyware, Sensei has the capability to analyze it using specialized forensic software for spyware detection. If you need more information about the service or have additional questions, please call us at 703-359-0700. Thank you.